For my dental implants procedure, I had the full top and the full bottom done. My name is Harold Higginbottom. I was a flooring contractor. Had an accident one day removing a floor where I hit myself in the mouth. So I've had a lot of issues with my mouth, put a lot of money into it. I actually was with a dentist for almost a year and a half prior to coming to Paramount. And it just seemed like they didn't want to do anything. It was getting to where I couldn't eat much at all. There was pain from teeth that were going bad. I had teeth actually break off in my mouth. I mean, they broke because they just had no support to them anymore. It was getting to where I did not want to smile. I didn't like the way I looked. It was extremely difficult to eat and getting worse. It made it difficult to be myself in a lot of situations. Everybody goes through life, I think, wanting to enjoy it. And it just didn't seem like, not that I couldn't enjoy the moment, but I couldn't express my enjoyment with my family. I couldn't express it. Something had to be done. For my dental implants procedure, I had the full top and the full bottom done. At Paramount Dental, they were wonderful. They in every aspect, the removal, the implants, just everything. They have been great. Now that I have my dental implants, I like to eat pretty much anything. I don't have difficulty with apples, and I love apples. When my wife saw my new smile, she said it was the thing that had to be done, that it was worth every cent, especially with the way that Paramount treated me. They've been nothing but excellent. They actually printed in the office a temporary set of teeth. I went home with a full set of teeth that day. I have absolutely no regrets. It was without a doubt the best thing that I could have done at this stage in my life. Dr.Cheema, I know I didn't get a chance to thank you. I wish I had. You don't know how much this has changed my life, given me my smile back, given me my self-worth back. I just hope there's more people who can get in touch with you and get the same results that I am so pleased with.